The secrets of a perfectly stocked school bag and transform your day into a seamless adventure of preparedness and possibilities. Dive into the essentials that will make every moment at school a breeze. Mint gums, keep these for fresh breath and a quick refresh during long school hours. Hair ties, essential for managing hair and staying neat throughout the day. Deodorant, stay odor-free and confident by carrying a small deodorant in your bag. Power bank, keep your electronic devices charged for communication and emergencies. Water bottle, stay hydrated and focused in class by carrying a reusable water bottle. Notebooks, organize your notes and assignments in separate notebooks for each subject. Calculator, handy for math classes and quick calculations during exams. Hairbrush, maintain a neat appearance with a compact hairbrush for touch-ups. Tissue paper, useful for unexpected spills, wiping hands, or cleaning surfaces. Necessary school items include pens, pencils, erasers, and any required textbooks or reading materials. Lip balm, keep your lips moisturized and protected from dryness. Mini umbrella, be prepared for sudden rain showers or unexpected weather changes. Snacks, keep healthy snacks like granola bars, nuts, or fruit to refuel during breaks. And sanitizer, stay germ-free and hygienic, especially when hand-washing facilities are not readily available. Sticky notes, use them for reminders, jotting down quick notes, or marking important pages in your textbooks. Highlighters, highlight key points in your notes or textbooks for better understanding and revision. USB flash drive, store important files, presentations, or projects for easy access and backup. Pain relievers, keep a small pack of pain relievers like ibuprofen for headaches or minor aches during long study sessions. Portable snack container, carry a reusable container for snacks or lunch to avoid using disposable plastics and stay environmentally friendly. Emergency contact information, keep a card with emergency contacts like parents' phone numbers, medical information, and school contact details in case of emergencies. These additional items can enhance your preparedness, comfort, and productivity throughout the